Up guys, today it looks like we're looking at a Chevy Blazer, that piece right there, the center console door. At the end we'll check the price and we'll look at the official Chevrolet PDF that shows you pictures of your actual car and talk about the repair. So let's go ahead and go through it. I don't know
Test
why.
the operation
Got
of the
another
center
short one here.
console storage door by sliding it fully open and closed several times. Verify that the door moves freely and there is no binding or unusual resistance. Once you are satisfied with the smooth movement, apply firm downward pressure over each clip location until you hear them snap securely back into place. Many owners report the door binding after parking in direct sunlight for just a few hours. General Motors estimates that this console modification takes exactly 1.5 labor hours to complete. If your Blazer EV is still covered under the factory bumper-to-bumper warranty, this repair is free. An independent repair shop will charge roughly $140 for the labor. If you take the vehicle to a certified Chevrolet dealership, the repair will cost around $220. Have you experienced this annoying stuck console door in your Blazer EV? Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.
That was very short, leaving much to be desired. But it's okay. We have the PDF. I don't know what's happening right now. Where are you, PDF? We gotta open it again. Let's see, it should be this one right here. Ba-boom. Alright, here we go. This is your GM service bulletin 25NA-017. Center console storage door difficulty to open and or bind. I just did one like this on Tesla. It's weird. They're like paired together. It's like a completely different make. Let's see. Some customer conditions. Some customers might comment. Did GM really just do like a spelling error? Let me read that whole sentence. Some customers might comment that the center. We just found a Chevrolet. They can't even do English right. Some customers might is what they were trying to say. Comment that the center console storage door is difficult to open, binding, or stuck. The cause is that the floor compartment upper panel may be distorting and causing a bind condition. Complete the procedure outline. So this is going to be, it's going to show you cool pictures hopefully. Alright, there's a clip that's apparently important. There's something that's important. Remove the rib suitable tool and retention feature pictured above. Reinstall. Check for proper smooth operation. Parts are required for the repair. Oh, look at that. Yep, you can read all this stuff, but it's saying that it's in there somewhere. You just pull it out and jimmy something. And since they can't spell right, that makes sense. So yeah, you can go ahead and pause and read over all this stuff. But yeah, that's a common problem because it's a technical service bulletin. It means that lots of vehicles have been affected by the problem and lots more to come because this was released January 2025. So you know, as cars get older, 10 to 15 years, this will be a very, very commonly reoccurring problem. So there you go. Easy peasy. No tools or parts needed. You're just taking something off, jimmying something. Did it say the correction? Complete the procedure outlined below. Remove the panel. Refer to front console. They didn't really tell us much. Maybe I'm missing it. I don't want to make this video go forever and ever. Vehicles under the bumper-to-bumper coverage. I don't know. I'm not going to make it go forever, so hope it helped. 4-minute video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.